1, 2, 3, come on!
Hi, I'm Teacher Giovanni and welcome to Math TV Lessons channel. Our topic today is all about exponential notation. In order for you to understand the concept of exponential notations, I will give you a concrete example of what is this all about. Like for example, if you have one cardboard and you divided that cardboard into two and will be given to your two friends. And your friends cut the cardboard into two again and share it with another friends. And if the pattern continues, that is an example of exponential notations. Another example, if you have some food and you might wonder your food will be spoiled in in a couple of hours, in a couple of days, and that is because of the presence of this what we call bacteria. Because once the bacteria enters your food, every single bacteria will split into two and split into two and split into two repeatedly. And that is an example of exponential notation, the fast spreading of bacteria that cause the spoiling of the foods. So I know that you're so excited to learn today, so let's go. Let's start our lesson. Our topic today is about exponential notation. A number in exponential notation has a base and exponent. The base is the repeated factor, while the exponent tells how many times the base is used as a factor. Example, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, which is written in factor form. As you can see here, the number 5 is repeated 4 times. And it can also be written as 5 to the power of 4 in exponential notation, where 5 here is the base and 4 is the exponent. And it can also be written in standard form as 625. It is the result by multiplying 5 4 times. We read numbers written in exponent forms as follows: 3 to the 6th power or to the power of 6. And it can also be written in standard form as 729. 10 squared or 10 to the power of 2. In standard form, that is 100. 8 cubed or 8 to the power of 3. And in standard form is 512. Problem number 1. Alfred opens a convenience store in their town which has a gross sale of 2,000 pesos on Monday, 4,000 pesos on Tuesday, 8,000 pesos on Wednesday, and so on. If the pattern continues, how much will his sales on Friday? How much is his total sales for the week? The pattern shows that Alfred has a sale twice as much as the sales on the previous day. On Monday, Alfred has a sales of 2,000 pesos, and Tuesday has 4,000 pesos, and on Wednesday is 8,000 pesos. It is definitely that his sales on Tuesday is twice as much on Monday, and his sales on Wednesday is twice as much on Tuesday. We have to form an exponential notation that will represent his sales in each day. On Monday, what do you think is the exponential notation? First, we have to find the base, and then we have to find the exponent. What do you think is the base here? Our base here is 2. Why? Because the pattern shows that Alfred has a sale twice as much as the sales on the previous day. The word twice will be represented by number 2. Since Monday is the first day, our exponent here is 1. So the exponential notation is 2 to the power of 1. And 2 to the power of 1 is equal to 2,000 pesos. On Tuesday will be 2 to the power of 2. We will use the same base, and our exponent is 2 because this is the second day. And this is definitely equal to 4,000 pesos. And in Wednesday, that is 2 to the power of 3, which is equal to 8,000 pesos. What is the exponential notation on Thursday and Friday? we will continue the pattern. So on Tuesday, that is 2 to the power of 4. And Friday, that is 2 to the power of 5. Since his sale on Wednesday is 8,000 pesos, so on Thursday will be 16,000 pesos because Alfred has a sale twice as much as the sales on the previous day. So Friday is 32,000 pesos. So Alfred has a gross sale of 32,000 pesos on Friday. And then, how much is the total sales for the week? In order to know the total sales for the week, we are going to add his sales from Monday until Friday. So that is 2,000 plus 4,000 equals 6,000. 6,000 plus 8,000, that is 14,000. 14,000 plus 16,000, that is 30,000, plus 32,000, that is 62,000 pesos. So he has a total sales of 62,000 pesos for the week. Means this problem shows an exponential notation. And the expression is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We repeatedly multiply 2 5 times. And this can also be expressed as 2 to the power of 5, in which 2 here is the base and 5 is the exponent or power. So in this case, he will be able to have a sale of 32,000 pesos on Friday and he can have a total sales of 62,000 pesos on 5 days. From this pattern, it shows that his sales on Tuesday is twice as his sale on Monday, Wednesday is twice as on Tuesday. This same pattern will go on until Friday. Problem number 2. Talitha will celebrate her birthday and invite friends to join her party. She invited 5 friends on the first day. The next day, each of her friends invited another 5 friends. If this pattern continues, how many friends will be invited in the party after 3 days? From this pattern, it shows that on the first day, she invited 5 friends. The next day, each friend invited another 5 friends, and on the third day, another 5 friends were invited. So we can write in this way. In the first day, we have 5 friends, or 5 to the power of 1, which is equal to 5. On the second day, 5 times 5, or 5 squared, or 5 to the power of 2, which is equivalent to 25 in standard form. In the third day, we have 5 times 5 times 5, or 5 to the power of 3, which is equivalent to 125 in standard form. Therefore, there are 5 to the power of 3 friends attended her party, or in standard form, it is 125 friends. We are now done with our examples about exponential notations. So now I think you are now ready to take a short quiz. Just take your time. Okay, so we are now done with our lesson about exponential notation, and I hope that you will never forget what you have learned, because most of the time we never recognize exponential notation in our life. In fact, this is very, very important for us to understand what is this all about, because we believe sometimes that everything around us seems to be natural or normal, but in fact, everything can be explained by science and mathematics. So thank you so much for watching, and by the way, I'm teacher Giovanni saying that math is minds. Math is not a difficult subject if you're willing to learn. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye!